the top skills to be a good and successful doctor. Excellent diagnostic skills, able to order and interpret appropriate tests, pick up on signs/symptoms, and accurately diagnose conditions. Strong analysis and critical thinking. Strong medical knowledge, extensive knowledge of medicine across disciplines. Keeps up with latest advancements through continuing education. Compassion and empathy, provides care with patience, understanding, and concern for what patients are going through. Listens attentively. Communication skills, explains conditions, treatments, and procedures in a clear, patient-friendly manner. Actively listens to patients. Builds rapport. Attention to detail, careful and thorough in taking histories, conducting physical exams, reviewing test results. Catches subtle cues. Problem-solving skills, recognizes complex health issues and is able to think critically to provide appropriate solutions and care plans. Calm under pressure, handles emergencies, high-stress situations, and heavy workloads with level-headedness and composure. Focused. Collaborative abilities, works well as part of a healthcare team in the patient's best interests. Values input from nurses, techs, specialists. Ethical and professional, treating all patients with respect. Maintains confidentiality. Adheres to medical and ethical standards. Dedicated to ongoing learning. Organization, manages patient records efficiently. Coordinates care plans and follow-up. Keeps appointments and tasks on schedule. The best doctors blend medical excellence with genuine caring, strong ethics, and leadership skills to provide the highest quality care for patients.